Hey guys, today we'll be checking out some of my favorite Thocky switches from Keygeek. First up is the Matcha Pudding, designed by Lucky Pudding Studios. With an actuation force of only 45 grams, this switch is light but not overly sensitive. Sound signature of the Matcha Pudding are deep, full, and rich. The addition of the UPE stem make these switches smooth and pleasant to type on. Let's see how they sound. Up next are the Little Ghost, a switch which features a deep and thocky sound profile. The Little Ghost were designed to be the deepest and thockiest Keygeek could produce. These no longer suffer from the sticky feeling of some of the older Keygeek switches. They now use a new modified top housing to eliminate that feeling. The result is a smooth and deep sounding switch. Here's how they sound. The Blue Cheese switch is a switch designed by Cheese Studio. These are the sibling switch to the ever so popular HMX Cheese, which are loud and high-pitched. These were designed to be the exact opposite, featuring a low and deep sound profile. The Blue Cheese can be purchased with a 42-gram spring for light typists or a modest weight of 52 grams. Let's take a listen. Up next are the Blush or Tipsy Red, depending on where you get them. These offer the lowest volume compared to the rest of the lineup. Compared to the Blue Cheese, these have a very soft bottom out feel, making them more comfortable to type on for longer periods of time. The bottom out also has a distinctive muted sound and has a low top out sound. A good switch for those who like to bring their boards to the office. Here's the sound test. Lastly, we have the Y3s designed by MZ Studio. These are the cheapest in the lineup, coming in at only 23 cents per switch. They feature the same bottom out feel as the Blush but have a fuller top out sound. These switches have surprised me. No matter the board I put them in, they always sound rich and thocky. I would recommend these to anyone who wants to make any board thock. Let's see how they sound. Now here's the back-to-back sound test. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments below which switch was your favorite.